Hi, this is Christy from Digital Spring Insights, and this is a quick overview of what we do and how we can help grow your business. So, what we do is basically if a website exists, we rank it to the first page of Google, and if it doesn't exist, we can build one for you and rank it to the first page of Google. Now, why is being on the first page of Google really important? Well, it's because when someone is searching for a service, usually the first place they go to is Google. So, for example, if someone's searching for kitchen remodeling Rockville, you see that there's these websites. But the important thing is that 92% of all clicks are made on the first page of Google. So, if you have a business and you're not on the first page, then it's very difficult for people to find you unless you use avenues like Home Advisor or such. But being on the first page of Google and having your own website, your own asset, is really important if you want to grow your business. Because if you're not, um, uh, all those potential customers are going to your competitors. So, for example, for kitchen remodeling Rockville, there's 150 searches for this per month. And if we go to related terms, it's not just kitchen remodeling. There's also people in Rockville looking for bathroom remodeling. Um, they may be looking for home remodeling and such. And we can find out the search volumes for these, and it really adds up. And of course, it's not only in Rockville. There's surrounding areas, nearby cities. So, to take, for example, a website that is optimized for these keywords: kitchen remodeling, Rockville, home remodeling, contractors, Rockville, and maybe some search queries in Frederick. Um, if their website is on the first page of Google and ranking for it, they're going to capture, on average, at least 10% of the traffic. If you're ranked number one, you capture at least 30%, but on average, a website on the first page of Google gets between 2 and 37%. So, on average, about 10%. So, that's about 109 clicks per month, and let's say 10% of them are actual legitimate inquiries. So that's 11 leads, and let's say you close 30% of them. That's new clients, 3 new clients a month. And let's say the average cost of a remodeling job is 12K. That's $40,000 a month that you're missing out on by not being on the first page of Google. And that is only for Rockville and Frederick. Of course, the keyword research is really the foundation of a website, and that's only for 2 cities. You can extend this out to however many cities you want. So then the question becomes, well, how do you get on the first page of Google? And luckily, in this area, it's not too difficult. So, for example, if we look at a competitor, and we look at their metrics. UR is the power of the page, DR is the power of their domain, or where the page is hosted. Um, we see that they only have 13 backlinks and 7 referring domains. These are links that other websites make to your website, and we see that they're ranking for organic keywords. So basically, what we would do is make your website more powerful. And the 3 main factors that makes a website rank is content, backlinks, and citations. So we would simply just have more content than them. We see they do have quite a bit of content, but we would beat them out for content. So we would have more keywords, um, and the page would be written for those keywords. And also, we would beat them out when it comes to backlinks and referring domains, because in Google's eyes, not only is the number important, but the quality of them is also important. So we would beat them out in both number and quality. And the final factor are citations. And citations is simply when the name, phone number, and address of the company is mentioned in a local directory, such as Yellow Pages. And so we would beat them out in citations as well, because in Google's eyes, the more citations a website has, the more authority it has. So with that being said, I hope all of this is really valuable to you in the future. If you want to go with someone else for your website build, feel free to pass them along this information. If you need any help doing any of this, please reach out, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.